Well, look who just happened to stroll on through the court today.
Is that poor little Henry?
Yes, sir. He's present.
That you in the back of the
Status conference.
Come on up.
I guess you're already trial with co-defendant, I know. We're set for October 3rd for trial. Status conference in September. I think we're up scheduled.
Sounds good for that. In terms of the
We have a trial date already?
Yes.
October 6th.
That's good with everybody?
So far. We're finished with our other one.
All right. So, you had a motion pending as well?
Yes, Judge. At the court, when we were here the last time, you let him go to church and stuff, you said about working, you would be subject to seeing his schedule. We filed a schedule for the next couple of months.
I saw that.
And he would like to be able to work. And I talked to his probation supervisor. She has no problem with him at all. She said that if he's going to go to work, she'd like anybody has to do, provide an itinerary, where he's going to be, how he's going to get there, how it's going to get done, when he's going to be back, you know, and the normal check-in, drug testing, everything that goes with that.
Thank you. Anything else you want to
I don't think so. I think that covers it.
How about the state? What's the state's position on this?
Your Honor, he's violated his pretrial in the past. That's why he denied the work at the previous time and was maintaining the schedule that was not allowed to work. So that you should run over and revisit it. This schedule includes, locations all across the eastern seaboard and Midwest in terms of the ability to supervise for probation and pretrial rather. That is almost impossible. With regards to the time frames and all of the studio issues on that, I don't understand why they have to be until midnight or 11 p.m., why they can't be done during other hours on that. So the state would object. And he's already shown prior issues with pretrial. So for those reasons, the state would say that the current schedule and it only needs to be maintained for another 3 or 4 months at this point before we'll be in trial.
Thank you. Anything else?
No, I just think that Judge, he wants to work. He violated previously because he was going to shows that were at
Strip clubs.
well, I don't care, it's a place they didn't like. He set out where he's going to be now. His supervisor doesn't have a problem. If he violates, he's going to prison or jail. He's not going to be out. He's been back in without the ability to do anything for months. So I was,
Hold on.
yes.
Respectfully, motion tonight. All right. Thank you.
Okay, see you next week.
Thank you. All right, let's get on Mr. Rosner's case.
How you doing, Tim?
Good morning, Mr. Morse. Good morning, Judge Tim Vandergeesen, Assistant State Attorney here on Miami-Dade.
Some of y'all thinking, is this good or is this bad for Melly? I think it's actually good. Why? Because typically they'll show favoritism towards their witness. We call them snitches in the hood. So basically what it is this. He came there for a pretrial bond. They set for October, so a couple of months away. Cuz trying to rap, put up some money, and then so he could fight his trial. They basically like, nah, we ain't feeling what you spilling. None of that and all that. All right, cool. But if he were giving up information and all that, they would have gave him a bond. They did it for Govin Hernandez, and they just did it for, and I'm not saying Govin Hernandez is a snitch. I mean, Hernandez Govin, pardon me. I'm not saying Hernandez Govin is a snitch, but Justin Johnson's brother, Jamarcus Johnson, cuz is a snitch. He got bond. Mind you, he's supposed to be going to prison for a good minute, but he got bond. So, in what I've seen just from throughout this year, common themes, you want to be a little sweet to your witness. And that didn't seem sweet. Cuz just walked off like he pissed off. So to me personally, I don't see it. But y'all let me know your thoughts on this one. Share to keep your people aware. Subscribe, turn on that bell to stay notified. And I'll catch you on the next one.
They used to say, words couldn't hurt me. Videos, just my name, they getting thirsty. Go ahead and put him in a hearse seat. It's getting murky, this time I deserve this. I'm ready for whatever war said he been a matador. Skin for the things. I'm dreaming for.